Mother's Day. So I wasn't able to post this last week, obviously, because this didn't happen yet. So this is like a belated Mother's Day tribute or video, if you want to call it.
Now why you feel for sad? Come here, say when me feel for sad. Now why you feel for sad?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, first of all, I want to say congratulations to us KeneishaSays squad because we have met over 100 subscribers. So thank you very much for all your support, and I want you guys to continue to subscribe to your friends, to tell a friend, continue to like and share these videos because our next milestone is going to hit. We want to hit 200 real quick. We can do this. We hit 100 in less than 2 months, so we can do this. We got this. But however, today's video is all about Mother's Day. So I wasn't able to post this last week, obviously, because this didn't happen yet. So this is like a belated Mother's Day tribute or video, if you want to call it that way. So in this video, first of all, stop, hold on. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe right now. Like this video. Don't forget to share. And if it's your first time watching, thank you so much for coming over to my channel because you didn't have to. But since you're here, go ahead, subscribe, like, and share. I had a magnificent Mother's Day. My husband went above and beyond. First time I ever did these things. My expectation was not so low, but I was just expecting like maybe a gift and maybe cooking, but just regular cooking dinner, not extra. And that's it. However, this Mother's Day, I got breakfast in bed from my son, my 17-year-old son, right? And then, I heard him downstairs doing all kind of things, and I'm like, I'm not going down there, don't go in there, finish it. Because maybe I will go down there just to help out. But I'm like, today's your day, you're not doing crap. And I started this tradition since last year. I'm like, you know what? It's Mother's Day. I should be celebrating. There's no reason why I should be out cooking and cleaning and doing other things on Mother's Day. You guys should be doing this for me at least one day. So they did well last year, but this year they actually exceeded, especially my husband. He surpassed my expectation. So no, there's no way to go no more. Like you cannot not do this every year or even better. Like this is just up for him. Like he needs to get better now. Like he cannot go below standard because then of course I'm not bad coming to see him. I tried. I really didn't want to do it just because of what he did this year. So yeah, I got breakfast in bed from my son, and then I got, my husband went on the road, so he had some things that he needs to finish up and get some stuff that he wants to do for dinner. And then unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this on video, but my daughter came up, my 2-year-old daughter came up to my room, and she'd be like, "Mommy, come, let's see, come see." I'm like, "Tiffany, I'm talking on the phone." She's like, come. So I ran downstairs, but she pulled me downstairs, right? When I went downstairs, there were like 3 bags on the floor, and she was like, "Happy birthday!" So I was like, okay, and she'd be like, come see. And then she pulled me to the dining room table where there was a Happy Mother's Day balloon. She's like, balloons. I was like, okay, thank you. And she like put me back to the bag. She's like, come. And she started opening the gifts. She started opening the gifts like they were her gifts, right? And these gifts, one was for my husband, one was for my mother-in-law, and one was for my sister-in-law. Thank you so much, Shireen and Mommy. And thank you so much, Troy. I really appreciate it. So yeah. So she started opening the gifts and everything, and I started opening them and stuff like that. So, these are the gifts that I got, and I really appreciate them because I wanted a bag, and I wanted a dispenser. I had 2 birthday parties held at my home, and I didn't have a juice dispenser, right? And it's funny because this pot that I got, I said to my sister-in-law, she came over to the house, and I'm like, sis, you know what I really want? I need a pot that can hold some fish, like some steamed fish. I'm gonna have to broke off the tail and stuff like that. So she got me a pot, and she got me a cake from her office, and she's working on getting that S for me, and I really appreciate it so much. Like it was so funny. So after I opened the gift, my husband was like, "I got you some flowers, but I put them in the fridge." I'm like, "I bet you Tavanna did not see that, because if she did, she would be pulling me to the fridge as well." So I got me some beautiful roses as well, some balloons from my husband, a bag, and then this was him prepping dinner. Blended fruit punch, lobster tail, shrimp. I don't remember what this shrimp is called. And mashed potatoes, broccoli, carrots, corn on the cob. Like, it was, you know what? It was so freaking delicious. I got wine and everything. Like, I tried to go on this freaking diet, and I broke all the diet possible in not one day. I was really going overboard and just taking in everything. I'm like, I'm just freaking my day, no exercise, no lemon water, nothing this today. So yeah, so he did all of that, and then this was the table. And that's how he presented the table, and all up putting the flowers in vase and vase and everything. And my baby saying grace
for us. Thank you very much for making us live. Amen.
Don't watch us. I was just feeling lazy, and I did not dress up for this shit. I was just in my PJs, and I was just relaxing. I'm like, I'm not doing anything extra. I'm brushing my teeth, washing my face. I'm just laying in bed all day. I had already posted the video and everything, so I'm like, I'm not even gonna, I don't have any stress. I just want to sleep. And so I just really had fun, and I was just so excited, and all the appreciation. Back up. My baby boy, my 7-year-old son, he was the first one to give me a gift. He got me this gift from Friday evening when he came from school. I got him from the school bus, and he presented it to me. He's like, "Mama, this is yours. I wanted to hide it, but there was no way for me to hide it. So, happy Mother's Day." And he gave this to me. So, my son, my 7-year-old, this was my Mother's Day gift from him. And he gave this to me first on Friday when I picked him up from the school bus. It says, "Good mom." Down here it says, "I love my mom because she cooks, she cleans, she get me stuff." Apparently I'm the housekeeper and the maid and everybody just get him stuff and just clean and everything. So my mom gets my stuff, she shops, she cooks, I don't know what this spelling is. What love, I don't know. She's independent. She gets my equipment, talking about his games and stuff. I have babies apparently, and babies, and his games. So this was my 7-year-old's gifts to me, along with a lot of hugs and loves. So what I did was to post this in my office space, of course, and then all the other gifts followed. So unfortunately, I was not able to give my Mother's Day gift to my mother-in-law on Mother's Day. It's still coming out. It's a customized gift. I don't want to talk too much of it because I have not received it yet, and I know I'll be posting this video soon, and she's gonna be watching it. So mommy, all I need to know is that it's worth the wait. And I'm gonna video you or record you opening this gift because you're gonna love it, okay? Now, what I did go and do was I surprised my mom. So her birthday is gonna be the 15th, and Mother's Day obviously was the 9th. So she thought I was just gonna be sending her money as usual. But what she did not know, first of all, big up to Balloons by Novi. Go check her out on YouTube, and I'll be putting that putting her name there on the screen. So Balloons by Novi, check her out. She's in Montego Bay, and she delivers directly into the town and everything. You know, she is amazing. So I contacted her, and she went ahead and surprised my mom for me. Right? I told her what I wanted. I wanted the wine. I wanted the teddy bears. I wanted the chocolate. And she sent me these pictures to let me know what I'll be getting, right? And so I also did one for my sister. No, the trick is, or the thing is, my sister and I were not in any good standing at the moment because I just stressed her out or something. Right? I know she's still mad, but if you know anything about my little sister, she is stubborn, hard-headed. I'm gonna have to kiss her ass and she not have no ass to actually get things done because she thought that she was supposed to be helping me out with my mom's gift. But I wanted her there only because I was also getting a gift for her. But she didn't know that, right? So me have to kiss her ass like, please go check out your mom, stay with your mom, stay with mommy, you know, because you want to make sure that she get the gift, da 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 da. All this time, she actually have a gift that she was going to be receiving. But she never know that, right? So I spoke to Novi and I told Novi all these things and I sent the money to pay for everything. I sent the money to her, to my little sister, right? To get everything paid for. She not knowing that she's actually paying for her own gift right there. So, yeah, so the plan was, I guess, I told her to work with Novi, and that's, you know, Balloon by Novi, to get everything situated so Mommy can be home, you know, so she can get the gifts and everything. And I guess she worked with my mother's friend, you know, Auntie Claudia, big up yourself, for helping us out as well. So, you know, after talking to my nan, kissing her ass and everything, she finally said that I was fine, I'll go do it. So she went over to Auntie Claudia, partner with my mom. Now I'm going to pick her up to go to church on Sunday, right? And Novi wasn't able to make it that early because she had other deliveries doing at the time. So Amanda called me bad as usual, like, I shouldn't be here yet, always home, da 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 da. So I called Novi, I'm like, what's going on? She was like, Kenesha, you know, da 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 da. Like, okay, work is on. I'm like, we're gonna meet her at the church because she's going to church, right? So they went to church, and Auntie Claudia went and called my mom out of the church and was like, somebody's here for you. She went outside, standing waiting, and Novi came up with the balloons and the basket and stuff. My mom cried. She's a crier, but she really appreciated it. I love it so much, that cry. And then we twisted it, and Amanda was supposed to get her balloons, and this was her expression, guys.
Hey, I don't know what I was just now. But I don't do it. Thank you. Kenesha, you hear what should I be? Don't do it. Thank you so much. Welcome.
Yeah, she didn't know. And the young one knows that after this she called and cussed me. She like, me not to know thank you, coming about asking for nothing, da da da. And then at the end of the conversation she was like, but thank you. So I'm so happy because I actually made both of their days. My mom called me, she was like, Kenesha, you don't know how happy I am, I really appreciate you, da da da. This made me so happy, and that was my end. Like, I love, guys, if you haven't noticed, I love my mom, and I'll do anything to make sure that she's happy. So for me to be able to surprise her, and with Novi's help, it was magnificent. So guys, go check her out on Instagram, you know, and if you're in the Montego Bay area, go ahead and shout her out and just have her do, she does it for every event, whether it be Mother's Day, birthday, you know, anniversaries, whatever not. Just give her a call. I want to thank you so much. You were awesome. You did a great job, and I'll definitely be checking you out and calling you and having you do more stuff, you know, for other events. Thank you so much. So guys out there, if I didn't say it before, happy belated Mother's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed your day just as much as I did. I hope you guys had a relaxing day. I hope your kids show their appreciation, and your husband or baby father or boyfriend or just friends in general. I hope you just drank some wine, just chill. Because I'm becoming a wine drinking person. I don't know why. Right now my head is this because I've been drinking some before. But just thank you so much for your support as well. If you haven't already done so, guys, subscribe. We're trying to shoot for 200 subscribers. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button. Share it. Go tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. And for Keneisha Says quote today, just love. Just love everybody. Show your appreciation, show your gratitude, and let everybody know that you're there. Even though it may be small, you appreciate it. You know, it's funny because sometimes some people just don't know how to show appreciation and they say the weirdest things. But just love everybody and just show your appreciation, because in this time and stage in our life and in this world, we need some more loving. You know, and the thing you can do to help out other people, if you can, just, you know, just share it forward. Share it forward. So, until next time, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, go like, share, and subscribe. And bye.
You feel for say, come here, say when me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.